IBKR portfolio loading issues typically stem from four key areas: app cache, sync problems, network connectivity, or server-side issues at IBKR. Understanding these areas is crucial for effective troubleshooting. We'll cover how to address each one to get your portfolio loading quickly and reliably. The app cache stores temporary data to speed up loading. However, corruption or overload from frequent trading can cause freezes. To fix this, clear the app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, IBKR App, Storage, Clear Cache. On iOS, go to Settings, Safari, or IBKR App Settings, Clear History and Website Data. Clearing the cache resets the app without data loss and often resolves loading failures. IBKR's data suggests 65% of app issues are cache-related, with clearing fixing 90% of those cases. You may need to re-authenticate after this step. After clearing, the app will synchronize fresh data. Sync issues occur when the app fails to align data with IBKR's servers. This happens due to authentication errors or interrupted connections. Sync uses APIs to communicate with IBKR servers. APIs are interfaces that allow different programs to exchange data. To resolve sync issues, first, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Second, enable auto-sync in the app settings to keep data updated automatically. Third, restart the app to force a resync. Fourth, double-check your login credentials if issues persist. Sync loads real-time data like trading interfaces with options chains. API errors can cause sync failures, but these straightforward fixes usually resolve the issues. Unstable Wi-Fi, poor cellular data, or firewalls can block data transmission. Switch to a more stable network, such as Ethernet if possible. Ensure IBKR's app isn't being blocked by your firewall or VPN. VPNs can sometimes add latency and exacerbate loading problems. Try disabling your VPN temporarily to see if it resolves the issue. Network issues account for 25% of problems, and switching connections resolves 75% of those instances. If the problem isn't on your end, IBKR's servers might be experiencing outages or undergoing maintenance. Check IBKR's system status page for any reported issues. Tools like ping tests or traceroutes can help diagnose connectivity problems to IBKR's servers. IBKR maintains 99.9% uptime, but occasional outages do occur. IBKR has also partnered with cloud providers like AWS for better server resilience, minimizing server-related outages. For persistent portfolio loading issues, start with uninstalling and reinstalling the IBKR app to get the latest version. Next, review IBKR's recommended network settings in their help documentation to ensure proper connectivity. Consider using IBKR's API diagnostics tools, particularly useful in high-stakes trading environments for identifying issues. If using TWS on desktop, make sure it's updated to the latest version, such as 10.25 from late 2025. Consider TraderX's sync failure in 2025. A trader had repeated sync errors due to a VPN conflict. Switching to IBKR's recommended network settings and clearing app data instantly restored loading. In October 2025, a DDoS attack caused widespread portfolio loading halts. IBKR's response included immediate failover to backup servers and advising users on manual cache clearing. These case studies emphasize simple cache and network checks. The future of troubleshooting involves AI-assisted fixes. IBKR is integrating machine learning to auto-detect and resolve cache and sync issues. Mobile-first design is driving optimizations for low-bandwidth environments. Cybersecurity expert Mark Thompson suggests server resilience will be key, potentially making portfolio loading near instantaneous through edge computing. By 2030, experts predict 90% of issues will be self-resolved via app diagnostics, with blockchain-based portfolio verification emerging for ultra-reliable sync.